Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Chaitanya BS, 7th Sem ECE department. Today I am here to explain about machine learning for VLSI design. Introduction to machine learning in VLSI design. ML means machine learning is revolutionizing the field of VLSI design by optimizing process and improving outcomes. It enables the automation of complex design tasks, leading to faster product development cycles. The integration of machine learning techniques can enhance design accuracy and reduces the time to market for semiconductor products. Importance of VLSI design. VLSI design is crucial for creating integrated circuits that power modern electronic devices. It involves extensive design process including circuit design, layer design and verification. The increasing demand for smaller, faster, and more efficient chips necessitates innovative design methodologies in VLSI design. Traditional VLSI design challenges. Traditional VLSI design faces challenges such as design complexity and time consuming verification process. The growing number of parameters and constraints makes manual optimization increasingly difficult. Designers often struggle with achieving optimal performance while adhering to power and area constraints in traditional VLSI design challenges. Role of machine learning in design automation. Machine learning algorithms can automate repetitive tasks in VLSI design, such as layout generation and circuit optimization. In these machine learning algorithms, there are repetitive tasks in VLSI designs, such as that layout generation in the VLSI design. These algorithms learn from historical design data to predict optimal configuration and reduce human intervention. In this machine learning, the human can reduces the configuration of algorithms and historical design data predictable optimal configuration. By leveraging machine learning, designers can focus on more strategic aspects of the design process. Data driven design methodologies. Machine learning techniques utilize large data sets from previous designs to inform new design decisions. Data driven approaches allow for the identification of patterns that can lead to improved in design choices. The use of historical data enhances the predictive capabilities of design tools, resulting in better performance outcomes. Machine learning techniques in VLSI design. Common machine learning techniques used in VLSI design include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each technique has its own applications, from predicting design performance to optimizing layout. The choice of technique depends on the specific design problem and available data. In this picture, we can see the supervised learning. In the supervised learning, supervised machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on training models to make predictions or decisions based on the labeled and training data. In this picture, we can see the label data, model training, predictions, and test data, databases down, and the supervised learning processes. Applications of machine learning in VLSI. Machine learning can be applied in various stages of VLSI design, including circuit synthesis, placement, and routing. It is also useful in design verification, where machine learning can identify the potential design flaws early in the process. Other applications include power estimation and yield prediction, which are critical for manufacturing structures. In this picture, we can see some of the application of machine learning. There are many applications of machine learning: automatic language translation, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detection, virtual personal assessment, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendation, traffic predictions, speech recognition, image recognition. These are the applications of machine learning. Case studies of successful implementation. Several semiconductor companies have successfully integrated machine learning into their design workflows, showing significant improvements. Case studies reveal reductions in the design time and improvements in power efficiency as a result of ML adoption. These success stories highlight the transformative potential of machine learning in the VLSI industry. In this picture, we can see how the case studies of successful implementation, researcher circumstances, case analyzing, key data, criteria, and the knowledge. These are the case study materials. Future trends in machine learning for VLSI. The future of VLSI design will likely see deeper integration of machine learning techniques, leading to more intelligent design tools. Advances in machine learning, such as deep learning, cloud, further enhance the capabilities of VLSI design automations. As technology evolves, the collaboration between machine learning and traditional design methodologies will become increasingly important in the future trends of machine learning for VLSI. Conclusion and key takeaways. Machine learning is set to redefine VLSI design, making it more efficient and accurate. The ongoing research and development in this area promise to address current design challenges effectively. Embracing machine learning in VLSI design is essential for staying competitive in the fast-paced semiconductor industry. Thank you.